Hello viewers, welcome to the Skoolknit channel. To make the popular recipe of Shaami Kebab, you will need half kg of beef cleaned and washed. You will also need some salt, turmeric powder, 5 to 6 dry red chilies, cinnamon, 5 to 6 cloves, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, 3/4 cup of chana dal and 1 medium sized onion. Before we start the process, wash and soak the chana dal and keep it aside. Transfer all the ingredients into the pressure cooker. Along with this, you will have to add 3/4 cup of water and roughly chop the onion before adding it to the cooker. This has to be cooked until the beef is tender and soft, say about 4 to 5 whistles. Once the beef is cooked, we will add to it the soaked chana dal and coriander leaves. You see that the beef is cooked well and the dal has also been soaked well until the beef was cooked. We will need a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add a handful of coriander leaves into the cooker and also the soaked chana dal. Cook till the dal is soft and mushy. You can see that the dal and beef both are well cooked. We will now transfer the contents into a mixture jar and grind it to a fine paste. To the kebab paste, add 1 whole egg. The secret behind adding the whole egg is that the egg yolk helps the Shaami kebab from breaking apart while frying it. So add 1 whole egg and mix it well with the Shaami mixture. Before you add the egg, you can also check for the salt and add extra if you want. Mix well and the Shaami mixture is ready. Shape the Shaami mixture into small and round patties and deep fry them until they turn into golden brown color. This is the perfect color. Take them off from the oil and they are ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let us know about it in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our Skoolknit channel. Bye bye.